Hi fellow, how are you? You were so wild yesterday. Do you remember that? First of all, you took my head, drunk with my customers, then you steal somebody's kills. After that you continue to drink. You drink Scotch whiskey and said, "Oh, I would like to be a Scottishman." After that, you drink Irish whiskey and said, "Oh, I would like to be an Irishman." Then, before you fell asleep, you told me, "I have a task for you. When I wake up, in the morning, you have to make something Scottish and Irish for me." And I made it. I would like to represent you in a perfect serve of Singleton 12. So, let's start. First of all, I would like to make a garnish for you. It will be an ideal Scottish breakfast. So, we need to roast eggs, and a bacon. You really remind me of my friend from Scotland. His name is James, and once upon a time he bought a bottle of scotch. And while he's walking home, he fell down. When he stand up, he felt something wet on his pants. Then he looked up in the sky and said, "Oh God, I beg, please, it was my blood." So, next ideal component for Singleton, in my opinion, I think is a cold pint of dry Irish stout. It's Guinness. So, a lot of bartenders in Ireland and Scotland have a weapon for a bad customer, but not in my bar. Add some pepper. Next component is the main component. It's the finest single Scotch whiskey from Dufftown. It will be Singleton. It reminds me about walnuts, about flowers, and about honey. So, I would like to underline the honey nut and add some honey stick. It will animate Singleton and refresh it. The garnish is ready. That's for you. And the Singleton. Please enjoy it, my friend.